Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a Cash App account without a social security number. Alright, let's begin. When you first download Cash App, you can register without entering a social security number. During setup, the app only asks for your phone number or email, your zip code, and a bank account. So yes, it is possible to create a basic account without providing your SSN. However, once you start using the app for sending or receiving money, limitations apply. According to Cash App's official support page, unverified users can send and receive up to $1,000 within a 30-day period. To remove these limits and access additional features, like ordering a cash card, setting up direct deposit, or investing in stocks or Bitcoin, you must verify your identity. Verification requires your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. There is no workaround once Cash App requests this step. Without verifying your identity, you won't be able to unlock the app's full functionality. While you can install and use Cash App at a basic level without an SSN, sending larger amounts, withdrawing funds, or using advanced features will all require proper identification. So that's basically how you can make a Cash App account without a social security number. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.